Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing DeMarker indicator and relative strength index. All right, we're trying to find out which indicator gives better trading results. Now we're going to start by adding both indicators to the chart. Okay, so let's add the DeMarker indicator, and then we're also going to add the relative strength index. All right, so the DeMarker indicator and the relative strength index are both momentum oscillators used in technical analysis, right? The relative strength index measures the balance between recent gains and losses over a selected number of periods, right? The indicator ranges from 0 to 100, as you can see, and helps identify potential overbought and oversold conditions. As you can see, values above 70 are often interpreted as overbought, and values below 30 may indicate oversold conditions. The DeMarker indicator, on the other hand, is designed to measure the demand for an asset by comparing recent highs and lows over a selected number of periods. It also oscillates between 0 and 1. In this case, unlike the RSI that oscillates between 0 and 100, the DeMarker indicator oscillates between 0 and 1. And it helps traders identify possible overbought and oversold zones as well, right? While both indicators measure momentum, the RSI focuses on price gains versus losses, while the DeMarker indicator focuses on changes in highs and lows. All right? So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.